What if UFOs and aliens aren't what we think they are? Instead of being visitors from distant stars, what if these mysterious phenomena are actually glitches, intentional designs, or even characters within a vast simulation? Simulation theory suggests that everything we perceive as reality, including ourselves, might be part of an advanced computer simulation. Could UFOs and aliens be artifacts or intentional programs within that simulation, created either as a test, a mistake, or part of a larger, unfathomable plan? This theory has gained traction over the years, with thinkers from Elon Musk to philosophers considering the possibility. But what if UFO sightings, abductions, and encounters with strange entities are nothing more than glitches or deliberate interactions within the simulated world? Join us as we explore how simulation theory might provide the most compelling explanation for UFOs and aliens, and what this could mean for our understanding of reality itself. The idea that we might be living in a simulation is not as outlandish as it seems. Simulation theory, popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom, proposes that it's highly probable that we are living in a simulated reality created by a more advanced civilization. According to this theory, our entire universe, including everything from the stars to the people we know, is a computer-generated environment, indistinguishable from real life. This idea taps into a long tradition of questioning the nature of reality. Philosophers have asked whether the world around us is truly as we perceive it, or whether it's an illusion. In the modern era, advancements in technology, like virtual reality and artificial intelligence, have made simulation theory seem more plausible. If humanity can simulate worlds in increasingly sophisticated ways, why wouldn't a far more advanced civilization be capable of doing the same on an unimaginable scale? Now imagine that within this simulation, there are anomalies, things that don't quite fit the programmed reality. UFO sightings, strange lights in the sky, and encounters with beings that seem to defy the laws of physics might be explained as aspects of the simulation. Perhaps they are glitches or deliberate additions by the creators or administrators of the simulation. Alien-like phenomena designed to test, monitor, or simply observe us. Simulation theory not only offers a framework for understanding the universe, but also provides a novel lens through which to view UFOs and extraterrestrial life. If the simulation theory holds water, then UFOs and aliens could very well be part of the program, with far more profound implications for our understanding of reality. At the heart of this theory lies the challenge of proving that we live in a simulation, and even more so, that UFOs and aliens are part of that system. First, there's the issue of perception. UFOs and alien encounters are often dismissed as hoaxes, misunderstandings, or the product of psychological effects. The evidence is often circumstantial, and many of the phenomena can be explained through earthly phenomena like weather balloons, experimental aircraft, or misidentified natural occurrences. Another challenge is defining what constitutes a glitch in a simulation. If our universe is indeed simulated, then what counts as an anomaly? A UFO encounter, a time loop, or even moments of déjà vu could be interpreted as deviations from the norm in a simulated reality. But how can we identify these moments conclusively without definitive proof of the simulation itself? Furthermore, how would an alien civilization fit into the simulation framework? Are they inhabitants of another simulated world? Or are they the creators of our own simulation? If UFOs are real, could they be designed entities from the simulation's creators, visiting or interacting with the simulated world for reasons unknown to us? One of the biggest hurdles lies in the nature of evidence. Currently, we have no conclusive proof that we live in a simulation, and the same goes for UFOs or extraterrestrial beings. While numerous credible witnesses have reported seeing UFOs or encountering strange phenomena, they remain anecdotal. We lack hard scientific evidence linking UFOs and aliens to the concept of a simulation. Additionally, even if we were to accept that UFOs and aliens exist within a simulation, it raises an even larger question. Why? What is the purpose of these occurrences within a controlled, simulated world? Are they simply random occurrences, or is there a deeper, perhaps purposeful reason behind them? Let's explore how simulation theory could explain UFOs and aliens from a more theoretical standpoint. In the context of a simulation, UFOs could be understood as either intentional elements or glitches in the system. If this reality is a vast computational program, we could be dealing with design features embedded into the simulation to monitor, study, or manipulate us. These programmed UFOs might be akin to controlled tests or observational tools created by the simulation's creators or administrators. They might have specific tasks like gathering data, ensuring the simulation's stability, or even maintaining the balance of the system. Another interesting facet is the possibility that UFOs and aliens could be extras within the simulation, artificially generated entities that exist outside the core simulation but occasionally intersect with it. Perhaps they are characters from another layer or simulation, visiting or studying our world. This would explain some of the encounters with beings that don't conform to natural laws, suggesting they come from outside our programmed reality. Additionally, some UFO sightings could be understood as glitches in the simulation, where the program experiences bugs, rendering errors, or anomalies that manifest as inexplicable objects in the sky. From this perspective, what we see as UFOs could be accidental or unintended byproducts of the simulation's imperfections. These glitches could also explain phenomena like time distortion, objects appearing and disappearing, and the apparent defiance of physics in many UFO reports. When it comes to aliens, the simulation theory could also explain why we haven't made contact with an alien civilization, despite the vastness of the universe. If we are indeed in a simulation, the existence of alien species might not be relevant to the simulation's design. Perhaps other civilizations exist in separate simulated environments, with no need to interact with ours. Unless, of course, that interaction serves a specific purpose. Here's the breakthrough moment. If we are living in a simulation, what would be the ultimate proof? Could UFOs and alien encounters provide us with clues about the nature of our reality and its creators? One of the most interesting arguments for this idea comes from the growing number of credible UFO sightings, particularly those reported by military personnel. With recent U.S. government reports confirming the existence of unidentified aerial phenomena, the conversation around UFOs is shifting from fringe conspiracy theory to legitimate scientific inquiry. If these phenomena are real, it raises the question, why are they so elusive? Could it be that these UFOs aren't extraterrestrial ships at all, but instead part of the simulation? Moreover, the increasing number of glitches in the simulation that have been documented in both UFO sightings and paranormal experiences suggest that something is wrong with the program. Could these anomalies be intentional acts of interference from the creators or administrators of the simulation? Perhaps they are experimenting with the boundaries of the simulation, testing the limits of what's possible in our world. This raises a fascinating idea. If UFOs and aliens are part of a simulated reality, their interventions might be designed to push humanity towards a higher level of awareness or understanding. They could be prompting us to discover the truth about our existence, to challenge our assumptions, and ultimately to realize that we are not the creators of our world, but rather participants in someone else's experiment. In essence, UFOs and aliens could be the first pieces of evidence that our world is not what it seems. They might be the key to unraveling the mystery of our simulation and understanding our true place in the cosmos. To wrap up, simulation theory offers a compelling framework to understand UFOs and aliens as part of a vast and intricate simulation. While the theory remains speculative, it provides a novel lens through which to view the strange phenomena that have perplexed humanity for decades. UFOs and alien encounters, which were once relegated to the realm of conspiracy theory, could be explained as either designed elements or glitches within the simulation. These phenomena could be intentional, serving as experiments, observational tools, or even markers to help us understand the true nature of our existence. As we continue to encounter unexplained aerial phenomena and alien-like experiences, the question remains, could these events be signs of something far more profound? Could they be attempts to awaken us to the reality of our situation? Or could they be byproducts of an imperfect simulation, glitches that reveal the limitations of our constructed reality? Simulation theory challenges everything we know about the universe, identity, and the very fabric of existence. Whether or not UFOs and aliens are part of this grand simulation remains uncertain, but the possibility itself opens up an entirely new way of thinking about our place in the cosmos. What do you think? Are UFOs and aliens simply the result of a simulated reality? Or are they independent, extraterrestrial visitors? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. If this video intrigued you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more thought-provoking discussions. And if you want to dive deeper into the nature of reality, simulation theory, or UFOs, be sure to check out our other videos exploring the mysteries of the universe. Thank you for watching.